How to adjust line spacing in Microsoft Word. Changing line spacing can make your document easier to read and can also help you fit more or less text on a page. First, select the text you want to modify. If you want to change the entire document, press Ctrl+A. Then go to the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, click Line and Paragraph Spacing. Here, you can choose options such as 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, and more. For example, select 1.5 to add more space between each line, or choose 2.0 for double spacing. For more control, click Line Spacing Options at the bottom of the menu. In the Paragraph dialog box, find the Line Spacing section. You can choose single, 1.5 lines, double, at least, exactly, or multiple. For example, selecting exactly allows you to enter a specific value in the @ box. You can also adjust the space between paragraphs using the before and after settings under the spacing section. Increase the after value to add more space between paragraphs, or reduce it if you want the paragraphs closer together. Once you're finished, click OK to apply the changes. And that's how you can adjust line spacing and paragraph spacing in Microsoft Word. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.